Good morning, dear students. Once again, I am Ram Bhuvan Kushwaha, class 6th English section 2, chapter 2. Robots are a boastful lot. Here, robots, and robots are boastful, means robots are proudy thing. In this chapter, the author describes about the quality of robots or the work of robot. Technology can do wonderful things for us. Robots are now being used to perform surgery and greet customers in departmental stores. But would you trust a robot to do your homework for you? So now you know that the technologies are improving day by day, and these are the wonderful technologies, the wonderful thing for all the people in the world. And in this technology, robots are now being used for to perform surgery and to greet customers in any kind of store or departmental store. But would you trust a robot to do your homework for you? Now, in this chapter, the characters are Devu, a 12-year-old boy, his papa, Debu's father, and Mika, the family robot. Here, the robot is Mika, his name is Mika. In scene 1, Debu's room, Debu is sitting in a chair with a box like thing on his lap. He is alone when the curtain rises. So in his room, he is sitting in a chair and having a box on his lap. Means Debu is sitting in his room on chair having a box on his lap, and he is alone when the curtain rises. Now he is alone. Then Papa came in his room and said, Debu, Debu. Then Debu replied, Huh. Then Papa walks in. Then Papa entered in his room and asked, Debu, I have been calling you. Why didn't you answer? Then Papa told Debu, Debu, I am calling you for a long time. Then why didn't you reply? Then Debu told Papa, I want to go out and play. He replied, Debu said, Papa, I want to go out for playing. Then Papa replied, what's stopping you? And then Debu replied, I have got so much homework to do. Will you help me finish my homework, dear Papa? He asked. When his Papa asked, what's stopping you? Then Debu said, I have got so much homework to do. And will you help me to complete my homework, dear Papa? Then Papa told, certainly not. No, I cannot help you. Then Debu told, please Papa, help me to do my homework. Then Papa told him, no, I came to introduce you to our new robot helper. So I came here in your room to introduce a new robot. Then Debu said, when Debu's Papa said, what's stopping you? Debu replied, I have got so much homework to do. Will you help me to finish my homework, dear Papa? Then his Papa certainly said not. Debu requested to his Papa, please Papa. Then Papa replied, no, I came to introduce you to our new robot helper. I have got a new robot helper and I want to introduce about new robot helper for you. Debu told him. Then Papa told Mika. Who is Mika here? Mika is a new robot, and a brand new robot walks in. When he called, means Debu's Papa called to robot, the new robot Mika walks in his room, in Debu's room, and Debu sits up. He gets stand and looks with interest at it. And Debu gets in stand and looks at very interestingly, he looks at robot. Then Papa told, this is Mika. He introduced about Mika robot, and this is Mika. He is programmed to help us. And then Debu told Mika, where is my pen? when he listened, Debu listened, this is robot. When his papa introduced about Mika, then Debu asked to Mika, Mika, where is my pen? Then Mika replied, Mika, the robot replied, it is in your left hand, Debu. Then Papa laughed and told, have fun with Mika, Debu. I have go to out. I have go to out now. Then his papa told Debu, you make fun with Mika and I'm going now outside of the room. Papa leaves the room. Debu bends over his notebook. There is a silence as he reads. So Debu bends over his notebook. He turns his notebook and there is silence. There was silence as he read. When he was reading his books, when he was Debu was turning his books, there was silence. Then again Debu came. Debu asked, horse? What on earth is a horse? So Mika replied, it is now. When he asked about horse, what is horse on this earth? है ना, means Debu asked to robot what is horse on this earth. Then Mika, the robot, replied, it is a noun. The word refers to an animal which was used in the 20th century to pull carts. Means here Mika, the robot, replied or introduced about horse or told about horse that this is the animal and who was used in the 20th century to pull carts. People also rode it. The animal is now extinct. Now that horse, the animal, not in existence at present. And after that, Debu said, whoa, Papa, said you were programmed to help us, but I didn't imagine that you could answer my question. Then Debu told, whoa, Papa said you were programmed to help us. Means Debu told to robot that Papa said about you that you were programmed to help us, but I didn't imagine that you could answer my question. Then Mika, means the robot, replied, I am programmed to answer a wide range of question. I can give the wide range of question. Then Debu told, really? He asked, really, you can give the answer of the wide range questions? Can you tell me what is 100 divided by 3? Then Mika replied, yes, 100 divided by 3 is 33.33. Then Debu told, amazing, Mika. Then Mika replied, I can answer anything you are likely to ask. I have a large number of answers. Ask me anything you like, anything at all. Then Mika told, the robot replied, I can answer anything are likely to ask. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask the question. I can give the answer of any question. I have a large number of answers because I have been programmed and I can give a large number of answers. Ask me anything you like. Whatever you want, you can ask me anything at all. Then Debu told, what is the capital of Peru? He asked. Then Debu asked to robot Mika. Then Mika replied, Lima is the capital of Peru. Then again Debu asked, which is the longest river? Then Mika replied, the robot replied, the Nile in Africa, it is 6,853 kilometers. The longest river is the Nile and its length is 6,853 kilometers. Then Debu replied, yes, Mika. Again Mika, don't you want to ask me any more question? He asked. And Mika asked to Debu that you don't want to ask any more question. Then Debu told, I wish I could, but I have homework to do. And I want to ask, Debu told, I want to ask more questions, but I have to do homework. Mika stands silent. He gets silent. He was silent. And again Debu told, all my friends are out playing. And what I am doing? Mika told, you are sitting here with a notebook in your hand, in one hand, and a pen in another hand.